Welcome back to the channel. If you have a humming sound coming from the front end on a Toyota CHR, then it might be your wheel bearing. While you're driving, if the humming gets louder on going higher on speed, and if you swing your steering left and right, kind of doing a slalom, and you're feeling it noise coming and going, then it's highly likely your wheel bearing. So first thing I'm gonna do, drive it on the concrete. Our humming noise seems to come from the driver's side. So we're gonna put the car on the concrete, lift up the driver's side, take the wheel off. The car is lifted up on the side that we're gonna work on. Lift it up with the jack, support it with the jack stand. 21mm bolts, nuts holding the wheel, 5 of them. Let's remove the wheel. Wheel is removed. We're gonna go ahead, and in order for us to break that CV axle nut loose, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver or anything that you can to stop it right here from the wheel spinning and putting stress on the transmission. That's how we're gonna lock it up. Next one, let's break that thing. We do after the CV axle nut removal, we turn our wheels on the left to expose the brake caliper bolts. These brake caliper bolts are two 17mm ones right here. Let me break them loose. Now that the brake caliper is removed, we're gonna give it a couple love taps with the hammer to break it loose from this hub. Now that the rotor is removed, we take our 90mm with the swivel head and the extension to reach all the 3 bolts that holding the hub assembly on place. So undo all these 3 bolts. So I broke all 3 bolts loose. I don't take them, I leave them halfway in. Why I'm doing so? Because we have option to go ahead and hammer that hub here all around, or you have a option to leave the socket in, take your hammer and tap the hub evenly out using those bolts. So once you break it loose, you can remove the bolts and remove the hub. Make sure to remember the dust shield location so you can reinstall the brake caliper properly. It's out enough for me to give it maybe a little tap from the outside here now and massage it out. There we go. Old one is out, new one going in. Replacement hub is installed, evenly tapped in, screw holes are aligned, hand threaded first, and now we're gonna go ahead and tighten them down to whatever spec it is, whatever foot pounds it needs to be. Check it from your old data, or I don't know those torque specs by heart, so I just gonna tighten them down hard with impact gun. Now that the bolts are bolted down, we're gonna reinstall our brake rotor, and then we're gonna reinstall our brake caliper. Brake rotor, brake caliper installed back. A little trick you can do to avoid having the rotor move off while you're installing the brake caliper is you can go ahead and screw a couple nuts back to hold the rotor against the hub. Now we can go ahead and turn the steering wheel straight, put the car back on the park, turn the ignition off. Next step for us is to replace this CV axle nut, then torque it down. Axle bolt, new one installed, tightened down, made a little notch so it doesn't thread out. Now it's time to reinstall our wheel and go for the test drive to confirm that there is no humming sound coming from the front anymore. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this video is helpful, at least so you can see what it takes to get this job done. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching again.